We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT to count to 1 million. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged in with your OpenAI account. Once you're in, you'll see the chat interface ready for input. Now, to start counting to 1 million, you need to set up your initial command. In the chat box, type a prompt like, "Please count from 1 to 1 million," and press enter. However, keep in mind that ChatGPT may not handle such a large task in one go, due to limitations on the response length. Instead, you can break down the task into smaller chunks. For instance, ask ChatGPT to count from 1 to 1,000 first. You can do this by typing, "Please count from 1 to 1,000" and hit enter. After the model responds, you can continue by asking it to count from 1,001 to 2,000, and so on, until you reach 1 million. This incremental approach is necessary because ChatGPT is designed to provide concise responses. Keep track of your progress manually or use a simple note-taking app to jot down where you left off. As you progress, if you encounter any errors or unexpected responses, you can rephrase your request or adjust the range you're asking ChatGPT to count. Remember, this method is more about demonstrating the counting capability in segments rather than achieving the full count in one sitting. This approach helps you understand the capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT in handling large numeric tasks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.